A fixed message is a structured code. Each part is a label value pair, making it easier to decode once you understand the format. Let's analyze it step by step. Every fixed message follows a simple pattern. Tag equals sign value. They're separated by a pipe vertical bar character or start of header in real systems. This structure is the core of fixed messages. Think of fixed messages like an order receipt. Just as a receipt labels items, prices, and quantities, fixed messages label each detail clearly. For example, tag 55 represents the stock symbol, similar to how a receipt lists an item like a burger. Each detail is structured and easy to read with the right tags. Every fixed message is structured into three parts: header, body, and trailer. The header includes metadata like protocol version and message type. The body contains trade details such as stock symbol and order ID. The trailer ensures message integrity with a checksum value. Understanding this structure is crucial for decoding messages. Welcome. Today we'll decode a real-world fixed order message. Each segment, though seemingly complex, holds specific meaning. We'll explore the header, body, and trailer to understand it fully. The header of a financial information exchange message sets the context. Tag 8 indicates the fixed version. Here, financial information exchange 4.4, widely used in equity markets. Tag 9 shows the message length, ensuring complete receipt. Tag 35, crucially, identifies the message type. D signifies a new order single, initiating a trade order. The body of a fixed message contains crucial trade details. Tag 11, ORD 123, is the client order ID, uniquely identifying the order. Tag 55, Reliance, indicates the stock ticker. Tag 54, with a value of 1, signifies a buy order. Finally, tag 38 specifies the order quantity as 100 shares. This information confirms a buy order for 100 shares of Reliance Industries. The trailer of a fixed message contains the critical checksum field, tag 10. This 3-digit number ensures message integrity by summing ASCII values of all characters, then taking modulo 256. A matching checksum confirms message integrity. A mismatch indicates corruption. Always address checksum errors in production to prevent data issues. This 6-step workflow is essential for decoding any fixed message. Start by receiving the message, then split it into header, body, and trailer. Identify each part, read the body, and finally verify the trailer. This method is crucial for debugging, analyzing trade logs, or technical interviews. Let's examine the transformation of a raw fixed message into a human-readable format. Initially, we have a message indicating a new buy order for 100 shares of Reliance Industries with order ID ORD 123. The integrity of this message is confirmed by a verified checksum. Decoding fixed messages is crucial in financial technology careers. It aids in debugging trade issues swiftly, understanding trade flow, and preparing for interviews. In live trading, support engineers rely on this skill to analyze financial information exchange logs in real time, making it essential for advanced support roles. In production trading systems, fixed messages use the start of header ASCII character as a delimiter, not the pipe symbol. Automated parsers like QuickFix handle messages in microseconds. Engineers rely on log analysis tools built on fundamental fixed structures. Mastering these basics simplifies understanding, as the core concept remains unchanged.